right. We are back in it. We're the man cave. That's my little, you feel me? If you want to follow me. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we got. What kind of shenanigans we got today. We got 100 acres saying that the winds should die down Sunday, 100 miles per hour. Guess yesterday, probably closer to 80. That's crazy. Whoa. Jiminy Christmas. I got a little fork there, a little bit bing bang. Let's just hit him by some red kind, maybe bing bang, too late, try coming up here. I think I won't make anything until the red will ship. Alright, I got that. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. And that was probably the most interesting thing, right? Alright, you're tuned in. I got some more stuff to go over with you guys today. We're gonna go over some cool tools. Here we go. Okay, I wanted to go over some cool stuff with you guys that I've been building, and I will leave some links on the bottom so you guys can see it a little bit better per se, I guess. Man, how can I make this look better when I screen record? It looks like shit that way. Alright, let me see here. Scaling. Maybe it's just the TV, maybe it's just the monitor I have. Anyways, alright, so this is called Android 101. It has a little bit of everything for cell phone mining. As you know, you just saw me do the cell hasher review. I really do enjoy doing the cell phone mining, low wattage mining stuff. So here you got a link to Userland, XM rig for Android, Tidecoin, the Verus miner, Nodal XYO, Solar, and the Komodo wallet. Then you go here to XMR. This is actually if you wanted to do the I don't know, it's called like the Clyde version or something like that. Basically the one that doesn't have an app. Okay, it's like the one that looks like it's just back end type shit. But you would do this on Userland. These are all the steps, one by one. Copy paste, bing bing bing. These are all the steps to do the CPU miner for the cell phone that has the 22 different algorithms. This is the one I did a review on that I crunched it down to one code. So this was prior to that. It used to be 8 steps. Now it's only one. This is the Verus Cly, I guess, again. Okay, so this is how to do the actual install. This is Retro Mike's install. Rainbow Miner. This is the Rainbow Miner to install Rainbow Miner on your cell phones. This one actually bounces back and forth in like Z-Pool and finds the most profitable coin to mine. So that's kind of cool. Algorithms. These are the algorithms that are in the Wong Fee install. Those 8 steps. So if you look, these are all the ones that are in there. So this is an app that I built. I'm gonna put a link down there on below so you can check this out. You can verify how you want. These are already pre-built apps and everything is pretty much online already. It's just a hub for everything to be in one spot, one location. So we got that. Hashvault Mempool. This is something that I built. You know, I don't know if you guys have ever seen the Mempool for Bitcoin. I'm sure everybody has. But it looks like that, right? And so Monero didn't really have one that I've seen. So I wanted to build one. I usually mine in Hashvault because I don't have much hash, and they pay out daily the lowest amount. So this is kind of something cool for their site. for, you know, if you wanted to put it on your, anything that you want to put it on a laptop, put it on an iPad or something cool, so it's on your tower. You can just kind of see the blocks coming in and all that good stuff. It's just something cool to look at, I guess. It's basically just scraping the Hashvault website and just pulling the information from there and making it look pretty. So nothing crazy going on there. And then the privacy stack. So this is a Monero based privacy stack, and what this does is it kind of gives you step by step into being more private on your laptop or computer or anything, especially when it comes to crypto, because, you know, privacy is kind of like a thing. So it's got Proton VPN. You can download it right here. It takes you straight to the download, straight to the website. You don't have to do it. If you just want to search around the website, you just click that you did it. Same with this Tor. You know, if you wanted to click on it, you can. It takes you to the Tor browser, so you can download that. Again, you don't have to. You just click on the box, and same thing with the mail. Click on the box. Now here's cool. So this is the Monero GUI core. So you can go there and get some stuff. Cake Wallet. I highly recommend Cake Wallet, man. It's a really good wallet. It's hard to recommend a cold wallet. Oh, I'm sorry, not a cold wallet. A hot wallet. It's hard to recommend a hot wallet, but if I'm going to recommend a hot wallet, it's going to be Cake Wallet. To be honest with you, you know, don't keep it on there as long as possible. Use it to spend. Get it off into a cold wallet. You know, but as far as hot wallets, this thing is fucking awesome. They have a lot of features, really cool stuff going on. Damn near new features once a month. They just incorporated where you could trade real stocks on there. A lot of non-KYC stuff. Huge in the Monero community. But yeah, so click on that. Right here, I have to minimize my digital footprint. I understand I'm going to relaunch this. So basically what this does is it's just purging your cache. It's kind of clearing the cache. All right. So it kind of gives you a clear start, fresh start. Kind of goes over some definitions of what the website does and what it offers. You go to the navigation tool. You got GoXMR, another really cool community project that's built. You got Haveno, just really cool stuff that you can build off the community. We have non-KYC, which kind of gives you the real price versus the market price, and then also, you know, also Cake Wallet does it as well, which, you know, I'm going to say to do that over this, but if you want to use this, you definitely can. This offers swaps as well. So you can go to swap assets and you can do this and swap assets as well in here. So again, you know, do your own research. These are all projects that are open source and from the community. So here's Quantum Miner, that guy that we were looking on earlier on Twitter, 100 Acres. He built this. So this is one of his projects. He's continuing to build this as it grows. So yeah, there's a couple stuff to look around. XMR Bazaar, gotta touch on that real quick. Boom, coolest shit ever for XMR. It's kind of like a Craigslist slash Craigslist. We'll just say that it's kind of like a Craigslist. And then go back, bada bing, bada boom. So that's all what's happening there on the privacy stack for that. Then this is cool. This is something that I built. So you know, you go to solo mining and it's kind of minimal, man. They take the bigger coins and they don't worry about the little guys. And me, I don't have a lot of fucking hash, so I'm a little guy. You know, I'm one of those guys. So what I'll do is just to kind of give you guys a breakdown of how this works. Is Litecoin Cash, as you can see, it's kind of on my tab for a reason. We'll scroll down. And this is the data right here. Bandit Bing, bada boom. This is the price. This is the difficulty, right? All right, price and difficulty. So what we'll do is we'll call it Litecoin Cash. My hash is about 12 terahash. Network hash rate, what's the network? We'll go with the biggest number they have. 79 terahash. Alright, 79 terahash. Alright, block reward 7.5. 72 seconds is the time, 75 seconds. Coin value is Shitasway. Let's see here. 00142. Alright. Power, you don't have to put all this, but you can if you want. What your thing is. You can save a log, so you can like have it. It goes down here, and then it shows what your profit should be a day. Solo mining, time to find a block. What would you make profit today? So that is, and it kind of gives you a little breakdown on, you know, I did a roulette style, so you'll see a jackpot, close call, no luck. So with this small of a hash rate, you know, you're gonna hit every day, every time. But let's say it was 790, right? So when you do that, you press save to log. It goes down to the bottom again, and you see the price change: negative 42 cents, negative 41 cents, hour and a half to hit a block. You know, block time's now bigger, and all that good stuff. Average time to hit a block, hour and a half. See, boom. So it's pretty cool. It just takes the average math, man. It's nothing. It's not rocket science. You know, it's regular math. And then these are all the websites that you can use to verify the information and use it to utilize the information and go over whatever the heck you want to mine. So again, I'm just trying to build things that are usable and that are like just easy to use, I guess. All right, so this is a privacy stack that's not Monero based. So I kind of stole this from Cake Wallet. So they built a Cake Wallet that was just Monero based, and then they built another Cake Wallet, or Monero.com, that was just Monero based, and then they built Cake Wallet, which was based on a lot of other things. It's based on anything, basically. A lot, well, not anything, but a lot of other things, a lot of other coins. So this is kind of the same concept. So the other one's Monero based. This one you see all the coins that I like, that I rock with, so they're all up on top. And it's the same protocol, same stuff, same everything, except with this, when you go to the navigation now, it's not so Monero based. So it's just got, you know, the threat modeling tools, the architecture setup, and tools to download. And then these are all the wallets that I rock with. Again, kind of wide open. So pretty cool projects. Just want to touch base and kind of show you guys what I'm doing to it. I kind of build a little bit too here and there, but you know, I'm vibe coding, man. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm using AI to build half the shit. I'm double checking it. I'm making sure it works. I'm double clicking it. You damn near have to double check AI's code anyways, and make sure you know what you're doing so you know that it works. Because if you don't know how to check it, chances are it's not going to work, and it's going to say that it worked. So, anyways, that was just a little vibe code review. Links down below. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate your life. Have a good weekend, man. It's Friday. It's Friday the 13th. Hello. All right.